Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that secant of y that is about 1 over cosine y. Later that we multiply both sides by cosine y. Next, tan y that is about sine y over cosine y. Now we simplify cosine y. Next, we have sine y and first derivative of y cosine y. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equal to sine y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now this one we change by v, this one we change by first derivative of v. Next we have v and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that next to v that is about number 1, and we have the positive number 1 in here. This one that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one cone here, or we can write ds, and this one e to the power of s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have ve to the power of s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv that is about e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So in this situation, we have u multiplied by v, so we have s multiplied by e to the power of s, minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of s ds, and now we have like this. So this one that is about this one. About v that is about this one sine y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.